Do you want to know whether your products will have the following defects after being exposed to the sun and rain: cracking, fading, fogging, embrittlement, oxidation? Sonacme Technologies UV test chamber can help you test in advance using UV lamps to simulate the sunlight and condensation, water spray to simulate the dew and rain. Reproduce the damage caused by sunlight, rain, and dew. The agent effects of several months or even years outdoors can be reproduced in a few days or weeks. The light source of the equipment can use UVA or UVB. A total of 8 pieces 40-watt lamps are installed in the chamber, with a normal service life up to 6,000 hours. The equipment's exposure area reaches 5,175 cubic centimeters. The irradiance is controllable, and 48 pieces samples with dimension 150 by 70 nanometers can be placed at one time. The application area of this equipment including paintings, coatings, plastic, wooden, automotive, and other industries. If you are interested in this machine, warmly welcome to leave us a message.